Babe. Mister, there's Metro. That's your brother. Mister, there's your buddy. He sees him. Baby. It's there. I'll show you in a second. Oh, candid camera. There's some. That's your brother. You guys are brothers. You guys are from the same mother. Hey, you motherfucker. Metro. You'll come into my fucking thing. Mister, come here. Mister. You'll come in my terrier and misbehave. You be nice, motherfucker. Be nice to Mister. They didn't scratch or nothing. He's got to learn. He's got to learn a little bit. Of course he's okay. Don't embarrass him. Iceberg's probably laughing. Well, first they kissed each other, and then they at least got kissed before he got fucked. At least Mister got a kiss before he got fucked. See, they kiss. There's no cat fights. This is how they roll, Mister. This is Kitty Cat Adventures. Well, I knew that it could happen, but Metro's gotta know if he's gonna come out of the yard, he's gotta fucking behave. Behave by our rules. I'll come on here and think he's boss. He knows that Mister's fresh meat. Oh, Mister's not scared and he's not weak. He's just green is all.
I know, but this one's gonna get it on, I think.
Fuck, gross. Oh darn, baby! I recorded that.
Take notes. This is what men do.
Jeez, babe, you know what I just did?
Oh Lord, Jesus! I don't like this.
Oh no! Get that on camera. Candid camera. Get off there!
Ride that pony.
He just waits for them to come to him or what?
Yep.
Oh my lord. Anyway, I cut that whole scene on camera.
Stay where mommy can see you, Mister. Oh, yeah, that's just fucking nasty.
Well, don't look at that. For the past 2 minutes, I record that whole scene. Not that, but I mean, Metro Mister.
I won't be out here now.
I cut the whole scene on camera. I'm gonna interview him. Let's give Mister an interview.
Have fun.
Why, Mom? So, did you see? What'd you think of that Metro? That's your brother. He's gonna go chase him. He's gonna go chase him. This is our territory. You come into our yard, you gotta behave by our rules.